Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you the new project that I'm working on, a small story box for my 6 years old son. Let's see what we have here. Battery pack, an active speaker, RaspberryPi 3 and RFID reader. I also have a couple of RFID tags here. Each tag has some data on it. It tells the program what audio file to stream. All audio files are stored in S3. I'm using AWS IoT service to stream audio files from S3 to the program. So let's see how it works. If I put the tag near the reader, so it starts to play. If I put another tag, let's try this one. So it plays a different audio files and musics are the same. I use the similar music to start with. Let's try this one again. So as long as you keep the tag near the reader, it keeps playing the audio file and streaming the audio file. Once you remove the tag, it stops. I'm gonna put that in a box and attach the tags to something like this. So if my son plays this toy near the box or on top of the box, so it keeps playing the music or streaming the story. That's it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.